Top 5 ways to use ChatGPT Agent for research and filling applications. So we will be doing the market research, job hunting and filling the application, and dropshipping agent and data scraper. If you haven't subscribed to that, do smash that subscribe button for more such videos. First will be market research. So this gigantic prompt, I will put the link in the description. If you want to support it, you can buy 20,000 plus prompts, 200 plus automation, and the courses on promptslab.com. Anyway, so this will be our first market research prompt. All you have to do is replace everything in the bracket section. For example, your target market, your product. The purpose of this agent is to research your market. If you're planning to build something, even a digital product, it will search that market and provide you the dashboard viewing the total addressable market, the current value and competitive landscape. It worked for nearly 13 minutes building all the reports, the report and the data sources as well. So you have two files, data sources and dashboard. So dashboard is pretty basic. I wanted to be more organized with the charts, but it doesn't have that. But it will give you all the information you want in. So the total addressable market for my product is this much in 2024 and by this much. So current value and growth, market drivers and market saturations. There is a target customer analysis, for example, demographic psychology and the millennials use this particular product 30%. So you know how to market your customers based on this data set. It's very valuable. You can use it for the advertising purpose, for example, meta ads, Google AdWords, and wherever you want to target your market on various platforms. Psychographics, new patterns of family, value, convenience, safety, buying behavior, price sensitivity, how much customer are willing to pay, regional demand, the competition, the market share they are holding. Now to make accounts for this material sales and there's a pricing strategies. So you know where to place your pricing strategy with this particular dashboard. There's a product specific demand analysis, financial projections also. And there's a regulatory and operational consideration, risk management and mitigation. There's also sources attached to this particular prompt from where it got all the information. It ran around, I think, 13 minutes, which is huge for our agent. Anyway, we got our information. That's what we wanted. And if you see the sources sections, so these are the sources, as you see, as the spreadsheet created. So unit, year, citations, from where you get all the information, you will get that sources as CSV file as well. So this is how you can do your market research. It's super valuable. Go ahead and check this out. Moving forward to the next, ChatGPT Agent, find and fill out the job application for me. So here, as you can see, it worked for around an hour and applied for all these organizations. As you can see here, with the specification, I have put it on the chat. So this is a demo data and I wanted a 10 application to be filled. And if you see the spreadsheet for all the application, so these are the job title, description. This is the package salary for the application. And this is the URL. This is applied status, which applied for me. So to make this work, copy and paste this prompt. Here you need to type out all the information about yourself such that it has everything to offer. For example, here will be your target country and for what type of job. For example, if you want an in-office around specific area, you have to mention that as well. And if you want it to be a remote and full-time job, you can also do that here. So name, experience, skills, and then type that everything. If ChatGPT know about your skill, it will also search for that job as well. And type of industry you want to be in, your email and portfolio. Portfolio link is very important. You can put your portfolio to drive.google.com and give it a sharing link such that the agent will be able to provide your demo work. And there's a phone number. You have to type that out as well because some application need phone numbers as well. So there is a resume. So in the resume, you have a .pdf file. So upload that. If you don't want to do that, ChatGPT also create that for you. Yes, there is some scenario where it will ask you to sign up for the account, for example, for the application. So I've already told it to use the email to input and create a password, any password you want. For example, you can enter your own. If you receive any email verification, do go to your Gmail inbox and click on that. It will be very handy for you. You have to monitor everything until doing this job and then provide a spreadsheet of the data. This will be the data you will have. Last thing you need to enter is the number of applications you want. If you want to apply in 2013 or even 100, let it go. It will run and won't stop until it applied for that specific number. If you don't find it, it will end at the most number of applications. So here it has provided me the details, but the extensive detail is in CSV. So here is the CSV file. These are the description, job, title, package, salary, and the URL of the payment. These are the applied status if they applied it. So this is the way you can use ChatGPT to hunt for the job and fill the application as well. You can also fill any form you want using ChatGPT Agent. Moving forward to the third is Dropshipping Agent. So what it will do is scrape the product and create a data set spreadsheet with various information. So the core problem it's solving is if you want to find a dropshipping product for a business, there's a chances of scams in the wholesaler platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, madeinchina.com, and to get all the information. So I give it a goal to scrape products, create data set. I want to scrape all the products, and you have a filtered list here. So I've just put that only 10, but you can go as high as you can. So it will provide the supplier verification status, response time, minimum order quantities, product certifications, customer reviews and ratings, sample availability, and the cost. This is huge if you're going to start the dropshipping business. So I searched for the pet wipes. It worked for 30 minutes. And if you see the replay, it scraped the number of sellers and get all the information. And if I open this report here, you can see the product name and supplier name. It's a verified account, so you can trust that. Years of because is also very crucial. So 6 years. So response time is less than 2 hours, which is also important for prompt support. And there's a minimum order quantity is 10,000 and the pricing tier is this. The certification, and there's no product reviews as of now. And some has the positive review rating of 99.2% in the store. So then the sample availability, some provide sample and some don't. It's also very important. And the shipping cost and delivery time. So there's profit margin. So it's calculate a very gross profit margin. For example, the cost and the selling price and minus the shipping cost. So it gives you this particular profit margin. And if you see the return, so standard return, trade assurance, refund policy is there. So not 100% on-time delivery, and some has the issues. As you can see, this seller is 87% of on-time delivery. So it's also very crucial for your business. You can see that report for yourself. Going forward to the next is data scraper. So it just simply scrape the data for you for product hunts that happened in the last week. I wanted to be a data to be all the products that launched on the producthunt.com since the last week. So there is a CSV file and it ran about 29 minutes, and let me download this and check that out. So these are the launches that happened in the last week. There's a YouTube video, community analysis. Community analysis has all the likes, dislikes, pain points, what people are actually talking about that specific product, and the list goes on. Only downside of this is it doesn't go beyond specific page. It just stops. As you can see here, it just stopped on the first product on every date. As you can see, 23, 24, 25, it picked the 2 products here, but it lacks that detailing to get all the products here. It won't work like that. And last is local business scrapers. If you have a local business, you know the importance of competition analysis and what people are talking about your competitors' business. Every detail, what type of reviews they are putting on there. There may be a services that has the gap and you want to provide that on your business. So you can also do that. So I wanted to do it for the New York dentist data. It worked for 23 minutes and this is the report. Okay. So the name of the business is ranked number 1, Google Place URL, and there's a description. So this data set is very important. So what type of services it provides, it analyzes that and saves that here. So number of reviews and the average reviews. And there's a review sentiments. So it has likes, dislikes, pain points, best known for, every information you want, it's there. The ranking position is number 1. So there's a number of phone, this can be your leads, and there's the emails as well, and there's a takeaways. It will just analyze everything from the about us section, services, then the reviews. It compile all the result and provide you these key takeaways to beat the competition and improve your listing. Go ahead and check this out. It's also very beneficial for you. So these are the 5 ways you can use for the multiple cases. For example, data scraper you can use for any website. Local business, you can extract anything from local places. If you want the leads, you can go ahead and tell that to find the lead from this section. The use cases is huge. So I hope you understand how to use this for research purpose. And if you have learned something from this video, do subscribe to this channel. We will post more to post more and more videos. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.